Hey everyone, welcome to RoamTips.com. Today, we're going to dive into how to use the continuity camera feature on your Mac. It's super easy, and it'll seriously upgrade your video quality. First things first, we need to enable the continuity camera option on your iPhone. Grab your iPhone and head into the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General. Then find AirPlay and Handoff, and tap on that. Make sure the continuity camera toggle is switched on. Alright, now that's enabled, let's jump back to your Mac. Open up an application that uses your webcam. For this example, I'm using FaceTime. Once FaceTime is open, you'll probably notice that it's using the built-in webcam on your Mac, and the quality isn't fantastic. To switch to your iPhone camera, go up to the menu bar at the top of your screen and click on Video. You should see your iPhone listed as a camera option. Click on it. You'll hear a little chime on your iPhone, and boom, you're now using your iPhone's back camera as your webcam. Go ahead and position your iPhone where your Mac's webcam usually sits. You'll immediately notice a massive improvement in video quality. I highly recommend getting an iPhone mount for this. It makes things much easier. I'll drop a link to one in the description below. Here's a cool trick. Click on the FaceTime icon in the menu bar, and you'll see some additional settings. You can play around with features like Studio Light and Portrait Mode to further enhance your video. If you want to disconnect your iPhone and switch back to your Mac's built-in camera, just go back to the video options in the menu bar and click on the FaceTime HD camera. You can also simply tap the big disconnect button that appears on your iPhone. So that's it. That's how you use continuity camera on your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more awesome tips and tricks. This was based on my personal experience, and remember to check out the links in the description for that iPhone mount and more. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching.